Good morning. This is Elliot Schlissel, and our blog for today deals with a court rejecting a father's argument involving the lack of jurisdiction. In this case, a husband brought an action to vacate a judgment of divorce. The divorce was taken on default. He also asked that the divorce lawsuit be dismissed in its entirety. He claimed there was fraud in the lawsuit and that the court did not have jurisdiction to hear the case. There was a special referee who was appointed by the court to handle this matter. The special referee awarded the wife 100% of all the family's assets. The issue was she claimed she could not find all the family's assets, so the referee said, "Fine, I'll give you 100% of everything you can find." The referee rendered this decision in part based on the husband's failure to provide documentation as to the assets. It was claimed he was hiding assets and dissipating them during the course of the lawsuit. The court took into consideration the fact the husband destroyed evidence during the course of the proceeding too. The husband argued that there was bad service of a summons and complaint, and because of this bad service, the court did not have jurisdiction to hear the case. The summons and complaint in this matter were actually served on the husband. The judgment that was entered against him on default, the husband claimed, needed to be vacated. A decision was rendered by the referee, and that decision was upheld by the court. Justice Rachel Adams, who was sitting in the Supreme Court divorce part in Kings County, found that the referee's decision was appropriate. She rejected the husband's arguments. She didn't vacate the judgment of default. She stated in her decision that the husband had actually filed a bankruptcy on the day after he was served with the summons and complaint. The purpose of the bankruptcy was to delay the divorce lawsuit. In the bankruptcy, he listed that there was a pending divorce lawsuit. So how could he claim he didn't know it existed? Conclusion: in the event you're served with a summons and complaint or summons with notice in a divorce, don't ignore it, don't play games, hire an attorney, and fight to protect your rights. Otherwise, you can lose everything, just as the man did in this case.